Hey, what's up guys? This is Lara and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, we will be testing out this unicorn palette by BYS. And if you're interested to check out the swatches, then keep on watching. But first, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more future videos. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so here's the unicorn palette by BYS. Let's open it up. After 10 years. Ay, nabuksan ko din siya. Alright. So, ayan, unicorn. Pag tinanggal dito, may malaki siyang mirror, which is so nice kasi maganda yun. Magandang plus yun sa packaging niya. Alright, so we will do a quick swatch of these colors. Silver Moon, Mystique, then the next is That's Candy Tail, Twinkle, parang peach na shimmer. Alright, so Silver Moon, Mystique, Candy Trail, Twinkle. Next is Magical, and this is the reason kung bakit ko binili yung palette na ito dahil dyan sa kulay na yan. Another nice color. Yun. Yes. It's Fantasy. Yan. Blue-green na shimmer. Now to the nudes. This is Cutie. One's main. This onto the brown colors. This one's Cutie. Ayan. Parang grayish blue na ano. Parang brown matte. Parang dark brown na shimmer. Nice. So nice. Dahil unicorn ang palette, may horn and may golden. Ooh, see? Look at that. So now guys, we will try to make an eye makeup look using the colors from the unicorn palette. So I'm done with my base. I put on foundation, contour, my eyebrows. I would like to use, what's this? Candy Tail. My favorite color, this magical color right here. Puput natin sa outer half, outer 1/3. Mali. Basta dito. Dito natin siya ilalagay. And then, we will put some of the concealer again para mas litaw yung mga shimmers natin. So, balik tayo dun sa BYS concealer. And then, we will put the shimmering colors. We will use Sky. We use Sky. So, sa ilalim, outer corner ng lower eyes. So guys, this is my eye makeup. I'll just finish the rest of my makeup and I'll get back to you with my final thoughts. So hi guys, this is the final look using the Unicorn palette. They have incredible pigment. I like it because it has 12 colors. It also contains bright colors and neutral colors, which is great when you're experimenting with colors. Anyway, I hope you guys like this tutorial. I'm happy with how I look because it contains pink, but it's not that shocking pink. It's not that theatrical. Yeah, it's nice to have a pop of color in my eyeshadow once in a while. So that's it guys. I hope that you like this video. I had fun making this look, and I hope that if ever you want to recreate this on your own, don't forget to tag me so that I can see your creation. And if you like more videos like this, just comment it in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next video.